given by Miss Irene Bangilan. Let's give him a round of applause. Lakasan po natin. Mas malakas sa sound. Hindi ko marinig. Ayan. Doon sa hindi na pumapalampak. Doon sa kabila. Palakpak po. Ayan. Okay. Okay, Miss Irene.
Ayan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Congratulations to all the participants. Ang gaganda nila at saka ang cute. And in behalf of Fern family, we're very happy to be part of this event to promote health and wellness, especially to the kids as well as to the family who cooperated to make this event possible. Also to the